camera.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. I was finna write a song, but how I been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me.
Hi world! So it's been a while since I've made content on my YouTube channel, so I figured why not make some today? I decided that today we'll be waxing my legs, and I've never waxed my legs before, so I'm pretty curious to see how this is going to go. Earlier today, I went to Walgreens with my cousin to buy some wax strips, and there were two brands that stood out to me, and I couldn't decide whether or not I should just get one or two. So I ended up just buying both brands to see how they work. I got the Flamingo wax strips and the Sally Hansen wax strips. I saw the reviews, some are good, some are bad, but personally, I don't know. So today I have the help of my cousin and her two friends, and they're going to be helping me wax my legs. So this should be pretty interesting. So let's get to it. Wait, heads up, I'm kind of scared to try this though. Apparently they don't know what they're doing either. So we're just gonna see where this goes. So this is my cousin, that's Micah, that's Jody. They're all gonna be helping me wax my legs. Oh, they're, yeah, really hairy. Let's do this. Before you wax, skin is subjective and waxing might upset it. Do a spot test on a small, non-sensitive patch of skin first. Okay, what is this? Post-wax cloth. And then it comes with, I believe, 24 wax strips. And they're both, I think it's like both sides? I don't know. Oh, it's double-sided. I'm so dumb.
All you have to do is pull them apart slowly to keep the wax even on both sides. Notice which way your hair leans. Place the wax strip on your body. Firmly rub it in the direction of your hair growth.
Does it feel any different?
Yeah, it's feeling warm. And then start from here, right?
Evenly on both sides.
Oh, okay, and then like, I'm gonna take one strip and then just like
Just
twist
put it
it.
there. Start over the top and go like that.
Okay, I'm skilled.
Then push it. Flat.
Oh my gosh, it's sticking.
Down.
I'm skilled.
There's no going back.
There's no going back. I'm
Keep
skilled.
rubbing it.
It says to pull it this way, right?
Yeah. Quickly pull the strip off in the opposite direction. Are you ready?
Wait, should I pull it or should someone else pull it?
Someone else, Gabby, pull it.
No, I thought you're gonna like. I feel like you're gonna like kill me. Wait, teka. Is that what it says? Okay, teka. Tell me to inhale and then exhale, okay? Inhale. Okay, tell me when.
Exhale. Ready?
Tell me when, don't just say ready. Tell me when to inhale.
Yeah.
Oh. That was not bad.
How did you know?
Wait.
Wow, it looks nice.
Actually?
Wow.
Whoa.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, go ahead. It's smooth.
Wow.
Wow.
Exhale.
Okay, that one kind of hurt. That one kind of hurt.
Look at that compared to the other one.
Yeah, that was a lot of hair. Wow. This is actually kind of satisfying.
Look at that line.
I know, right?
Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking. Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah, I hear you like pizza and dancing. Love that is not that romantic. Yeah, I don't have no time for no antics. Smile, smile for the cameras. Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around.
Oh, wasn't bad. Ah. Oof. Okay, I think that's time to use a new one. Oh my god, this is such an awkward. Ow, ow, ow.
Sorry. You should stretch it. Wait.
Like color guard style. I feel like this is gonna hurt.
Exhale.
Oh, that wasn't bad, but shit.
Yeah.
That did hurt. I feel like you should get a job as a waxist.
I think they're called something.
Yeah, what are they called?
I forgot.
Professional waxer. Ooh.
Ow! My knee!
Whoa, wait, hold up. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Like, it's so freaking smooth. Like, I'm bleeding a little bit, but like, that's okay. I still need to put the post wax cloth on top. But y'all, my leg is smooth. Crazy. Ooh. That was good. Get it. You stop saying inhale, exhale.
I thought you stopped feeling pain.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon.
They look like baby legs. Like chicken legs. Wait.
They don't even like show up on camera. They're so small.
Whoa. Feel this though. It's like,
Whoa, it's so like.
it's so smooth.
Yeah.
Hello?
What? Dog.
So sad. My legs are like super shiny and smooth. Wow. 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 So it took me 16 wax strips to wax both my legs. Honestly, that was a pretty good experience. So I still have 4 more strips. I'm gonna be using these on my thighs, but 10 out of 10, guys. This was not that bad. Plus, the post wax cloth is really nice. It makes my legs super shiny and it smells really nice, and my legs, they just feel super smooth. Like, I'm really excited. So, A+. Shout out to my cousin for helping me out. Alright, that's it for the video. Shout out to Micah for filming this whole experiment, and shout out to Jody for warming up the wax strips and the moral support. That's it for today. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!